Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 right-click menu too long. As you can see here, we are getting this kind of thing. So now we're going to make it the classical one. For that, what you can do, we can simply press in your keyboard Windows plus X. It will going to come up with the terminal admin. So if you click on it, there will be a permission. Click yes. And now here we're going to type this command and then click enter, and it is saying the operation completed successfully. Well, now we're going to type this command and then click enter. Now you can simply close it and simply open the task manager. Into the task manager, just simply restart your Windows Explorer. So here we are going to select it, and now we're going to find out the Windows Explorer over here. Here it is, Windows Explorer. I'm going to click on it, restart it. That's it. And here we get, the old one. Now you can simply click on the right mouse button. And here, as you can see, you get the classical right click menu over here. As you can see, we're not getting too long menu over here. So yeah, this is how we can simply fix it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.